What if I told you? 2025 is the year to go bold with your hair. From neon pink explosions to galactic purples, this year's bold hair color trends are all about fearless self-expression. Stay tuned as we count down the hottest shades you need to try, and trust me, you'll want to screenshot every look. Hey, color rebels! If you're tired of playing it safe with your hair, 2025 is your time to shine. Bold hair colors aren't just a trend anymore, they are a movement. Think vibrant hues, daring contrasts, and styles that scream look at me. Whether you're a pastel lover or a jewel tone junkie, this year's trends have something for every vibe. Ready to find your match? Let's be real. Choosing a bold hair color can feel terrifying. What if it washes out? What if it doesn't suit me? And or, the maintenance. But here's the truth. Bold hair isn't about perfection. It's about confidence. With the right shade and techniques. So, let's crush those fears and dive into the hottest trend. Top 5 bold hair colors of 2025. Let's break down the hottest bold hair color trends for 2025. Neon green explosion. First up, the neon green explosion. This isn't your average green. It's amped up with magenta and hot green undertones for a high-fashion edge. Best for light to medium skin tone. Styling tip: keep your roots darker for depth and easy maintenance. Fiery copper red. Next, turn up the heat with fiery copper red, intensified to a fiery brilliance, takes center stage. This color delivers richness and luminosity, pairing beautifully with warm skin tone. Pro tip: add micro highlights in gold or amber to create a flame-like effect. Sapphire blue depth. Deep sapphire blue offers a luxurious, jewel-toned alternative to the usual pastel blue. Its richness brings sophistication while maintaining a bold character. Perfect match: cool undertones and fair complexion. Styling recommendation: pair with a sleek, glossy finish for maximum vibrancy. Galactic purple. Galactic purple, an interplay of deep violet, indigo, and black, ushers in an interstellar vibe. It's dramatic, moody, and utterly mesmerizing. Ideal for darker hair bases, enhancing natural depth. Trend twist: incorporate silver shimmer strands for a cosmic effect. High contrast black and platinum. And don't sleep on high contrast black and platinum. Jet black roots melting into icy ends. This stark transition demands attention while maintaining elegance. Maintenance tip: use purple shampoo to preserve platinum brightness. Emerging techniques elevating bold hair color. Root melting and seamless transition. 2025 is all about seamless transition. Say goodbye to harsh lines. Root melting lets colors fade naturally, creating dimension and sophistication. Example technique: shadow root, deeper roots blending into vibrant mids and ends. Ombre variants, soft progression between two or more bold hues. Strategic color blocking. Inspired by avant-garde runway styles, strategic color blocking uses opposing shades placed intentionally for high visual impact. Popular combo: coral and teal cherry red, and mint green lilac and burnt orange. How to choose the perfect bold hair color in 2025. Not sure where to start? Let's break it down. Skin tone recommended bold shades: fair sapphire blue, galactic purple, medium neon pink, fiery copper, emerald green, deep platinum highlights, royal blue. Lifestyle matters too. If you're busy and can't hit the salon often, deeper shades are your best friend because they grow out gracefully. Bold hair color care, essential maintenance tip. Maintenance is key. Always use a sulfate-free shampoo, deep condition regularly, protect your hair from UV rays, get gloss treatments between color appointments for that fresh, vibrant shine. You want your bold hair color to last, right? Treat it with love. Best hairstyles to showcase bold hair color. Certain hairstyles enhance the drama and depth of vibrant hair color. Blunt bobs highlight color transitions and sharp contrast. Layered cuts add dimension to multi-tonal hue. Braided styles showcase intricate color placement. Pixie cuts make bold color the star of the show. Bold hair color trends by season. Spring, summer 2025. Watermelon pinks, electric tangerines, ocean blues fall, winter 2025. Deep emerald greens, fiery burgundy reds, cosmic purple. Season swap your vibe effortlessly. Future of bold hair colors, 2025 and beyond. Can you believe we're heading into a future with light-reactive dyes that shift under UV light? Even AI consultations will be able to match your perfect bold hair color in seconds. Plus, plant-based, sustainable pigments are taking over. The future looks so bright and so colorful. Bold hair color in 2025 is more than just a trend. It's a declaration of your fearless self. Whether you choose neon brights, galactic purples, or vivid blues, it's all about expressing who you are without limit. So go bold and own it. If you love these bold hair color trends and you're feeling inspired for your next hair transformation, smash that like button, subscribe for more hair trends and haircut inspo, and don't forget to comment below, which bold color are you dying to try? And if you want to keep that color looking flawless, check out my next video on 10 latest hair color trends 2025. See you there.